Hey, hope you guys are doing well. Edgar from Solo Marketer here, and in this quick video, I want to show you how to set up a free trial on System.io. So for us to be able to set it up, obviously you have to have a sales page where you're actually selling the product. In this case, it's going to be a digital product, which you can have a placeholder as well if you just want to test out the feature. But let's just say, yeah, you need a sales page, you need a product. And then once you click on that sales page under step configuration, you need to scroll down, you need to connect it to this product, right? So that's what needs to be done up to this point. And now we can set up a price plan, which is under which you can set up the free trial. And the free trial, let's just let's just create a new one. And let's just do something like, I don't know, subscription, not a creative name, but let's just do that. And the price plan type, you can do a free trial for a subscription, which is just endless monthly or yearly or weekly payments, whatever, like think Netflix. Or you can do it for a payment plan, 3 payments of $357, for example, right? Like installments. You can do it for these two, not for a one-time payment. It just wouldn't make sense. That's not a thing. For a subscription, it's pretty straightforward. So let's just set it up. Let's just say it's a 30-day trial period. So it's 30 days. And after that, customers will pay $20 each 1 month, right? So kind of first month or first 30 days. You can do also first 1 month. I guess you can do that as well, but the 30 days I think it's more common, or 14 days or 7 days, whatever your offer is. And yeah, this is the most common one. Another one you can do is payment plan, although I haven't seen it that much, this type of thing. I haven't seen it that much, so I don't know. It's kind of a thing. Obviously I can tell you like don't do it or do it, but I guess it's just worth a test to see whether this is better than just doing a regular 3 installment thing, like $597 or $357, whatever I said. $357 each 1 month for 3 months, right? And then you do the 30-day free trial. You can split test them, this against the one where there's no free trial, and see which one makes you more money at the end of the day. But yeah, just letting you know, this is not as common, but feel free to try it out if you want. But yeah, and also if you have any questions about how to create a sales page, right, do you get to this point, or how to set up a course or a digital product on System.io, there should be 2 videos showing up on the screen in a second. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment below. Also make sure to check the description for some freebie templates on sales pages and other stuff. Yeah, those are free, 1-click downloads, so check those out. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.